Friends, today we'll study the superconductors. Superconductors are very important materials, inorganic materials. So, its syllabus is present in UG under the materials in the papers of inorganic chemistry. So, today we'll learn what is the importance and what are the superconductors. Superconductors are such materials which are used in electronic devices, spacecrafts, quill type materials, the electromagnets, in supersonic bullet trains. Their rail tracks consist of superconductors, transformers, the chips, gadgets, electronic gadgets, devices with magnetism. Because superconductors have high conductance and zero resistance. Such materials used as super magnets. So superconductors have got very importance. So what are these materials? These materials are nothing but the cooled metals. The metals if cooled at zero, below zero, negative temperatures, they act as the superconductors. Or their oxides, mixed metal oxides or simple oxides of the metals from transition D block or from F block inner transition elements, and their alloys and oxides with S block metals forms superconducting materials. For example, Y Ba2CO3O7-X, this defective solid oxide of yttrium, barium, copper and its oxide with defects of oxygen atoms. This crystal act as superconductor because what happens when metals and their alloys they are cooled at negative temperatures, Kelvin temperatures, at low temperatures, what happens in that metals and their alloys with oxides, their unit cells forms the electron pairs in their crystal structures. That electron pairs may be called as the Cooper pairs. Electron of the metals with their alloys oxides get gathered together. They aligns in same direction. Their domains are formed and that are called as Cooper pairs of electrons. That Cooper pair conducts very high amount of electricity, temperature without any resistance. So what are the superconductors? Superconductors are nothing but high conducting materials with zero resistivity or resistance. They have high conductance, zero resistance. Suppose a crystal of superconductor is held in the magnetic field directing from north to south. What will happen when that superconductor conducts electricity? It has a zero resistance, so it forms high amount of electromagnetic field around it, and the external magnetic field is repelled by that superconductor. So that effect is called as Meissner effect. The scientist Meissner has observed that whenever superconductor hold in the magnetic field, it repels the magnetic field, and that effect is called as a flux expulsion effect. That magnetic flux expulsion effect also known as Meissner effect. So superconductor shows Meissner effect means what it proves? It proves that superconductors are nothing but the materials as super magnets. So if we study their band diagram, means electronic property, what is present in the band diagram of superconductors? The valence band filled with the electrons, Cooper pairs, and conduction band empty, conduction band with the empty molecular orbitals, antibonding molecular orbitals. Both are overlapped to each other. Superconductor have negative or zero band gap energy electron in electron volt. Means superconductors are very highly conducting materials with high magnetism. Thank you.